In today's fast-paced world of ever-changing technology and software, companies are basically forced to practice Agile methodology. But how do we as QA software testers fit in to this methodology, especially in today's world? Let's talk about it. Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is the Test Lead, and I make content to help you on your software testing journey. Today we're breaking down the role of QA software testers in Agile. The evolution of QA software testers in Agile. Traditionally, QA software testers had a distinct testing phase in a software development lifecycle, usually right after developers finish developing their code. These phases were more pronounced, especially in older methodologies like waterfall, where something couldn't be started until a previous phase was fully complete. So as a software tester, you couldn't do any testing until the development was completely finished. However, this often led to bottlenecks and delayed releases if significant issues were discovered late in the process. Agile methodology transforms this approach by embedding QA activities within each iteration or sprint, ensuring that quality is built into the product from the beginning. Now let's talk about the key responsibilities of a QA software tester in Agile. Active participation in planning. QA professionals are important in sprint planning meetings where they contribute to defining acceptance criteria, estimating effort, and identifying potential risk. Their insights help shape user stories and ensure that requirements are testable and clear. Continuous testing. In Agile, testing is not a separate phase, but an ongoing activity. QA engineers continuously test new features and changes, providing immediate feedback to developers. This iterative approach helps in identifying defects early and ensures that the code base remains robust. Automation. Automation is a cornerstone of Agile QA. By automating repetitive tests, QA teams can focus on exploratory testing and other high-value activities. Automated tests are run frequently to catch regressions and ensure that new changes did not break already existing functionality. Collaboration and communication. Agile emphasizes cross-functional teams and collaboration. QA works closely with developers, product owners, and other stakeholders to ensure a shared understanding of quality goals. Daily stand-ups, retrospectives, and other Agile ceremonies facilitate continuous communication and alignment. Defining and maintaining quality standards. QA is responsible for establishing quality standards and ensuring that they are adhered to throughout the development process. This includes defining test strategies, creating test plans, and ensuring comprehensive test coverage. Meet today's video sponsor, Careerist. Being a software QA engineer is one of the easiest ways for a beginner to break into tech and get a competitive salary with opportunities for career growth. Do you have a desire to possibly work remotely, but maybe have a fear of lacking experience for a career change, or have concerns about not having a college degree? Meet Careerist, today's video sponsor. With Careerist Online Bootcamp, you can gain the necessary knowledge, practice, mentorship, and advice to become a successful tech specialist, regardless of your prior experience or educational background. As a licensed education provider, Careerist offers an interactive software QA engineering course that can be completed in 16 weeks with personalized guidance from experienced coaches. Over 1,000 graduates have already secured high-paying jobs in tech across 40 different states with Careerist's help. They have many benefits, such as a 4-week internship to gain real experience, one-on-one career coaching, and a 100% money-back guarantee if you don't get a job after 1 year of graduation. Take the first step in having a successful tech career by clicking the first link in my description box below. Also, use my discount code TheTestLead to receive $600 off your course cost. Now, back to the video. Next, we have the benefits of QA in Agile. Early defect detection. So because in Agile, we test often and frequently, we find things faster, closing that feedback loop to developers. Instead of them waiting until the end of a waterfall cycle, once they put out code, they can put out a version for us to test and get feedback right away. Higher quality products. By integrating QA at every role of development, we're making sure that the product meets customer expectations throughout the cycle. Faster time to market. Agile's iterative approach, as well as our automation test suites for regression testing, allows us to put more items out faster. We'll start with a small iteration, put it out to the customers, and then build upon it in future releases. Quick break. If you need help on your software testing journey, check out my website, thetestinglead.com. I have content and courses to help you on your journey. Now, back to the video. Challenges and solutions. Now let's talk about some of the challenges that QA might face. Maintaining test coverage. Ensuring comprehensive test coverage can be challenging in a fast-paced environment. Balancing speed and quality. The pressure to deliver quickly can sometimes compromise quality. Establishing a balance between speed and thorough testing is crucial. Continuous integration and automated testing pipelines can mitigate this risk. In Agile, QA software testers aren't just a gatekeeper for quality. We're actually a part of the development process. By embedding QA software testers in Agile, it's a win-win for everybody. Developers get feedback faster. They're not waiting for the last minute and then rushing changes. Also in Agile, we have sprints and iterations. That way customers aren't waiting forever for a product. They'll get an iteration after a sprint. And because the QA role is so important, we can't overlook it. So with Agile, we have happy developers because we're finding problems faster. They're not waiting for the last second and then having to rush their fixes. They create something, we'll test it, give them feedback, move on from there. We also have happy customers because in Agile, we have sprints. And with each sprint, we have an iteration where we put out a new feature or update to our product. So now customers are getting things faster instead of them waiting around. And a happy customer means you have a happy company. If the company's happy, everybody's happy. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them below. But most importantly, don't forget this, learn something new today.